People, so this is my second video of the day, and I have to say this, people, that shooting the video today is going to be an experience like nothing else, because you can see this two little souls that I have here with me, these two little souls. So it's like uh, see, this is how I'm keeping them busy. Yet keeping ducks as pets is like one of the best things, because they are so affectionate and so, oh my god. Oh, so, no, this little duck has got stuck. It looks like it's crazy shooting this video, but seriously, people, you all should. I've always kept dogs and cats as pets, but I think ducks are, they have that thing called imprinting. So it's just amazing. It's an experience keeping these little ducks. So take a look at them. Hello. So yeah, it's a 1 minute video, and I'll catch you all in my next video. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.